Good day. I wanted to come down to find out when exactly David Ray Bays' court date would be, and is
You
it?
have to go to the clerk's office for that. Is
Clerk's
anybody here a
office?
victim?
Nope, just my brother. But this is the state's attorney's office, right? Okay, then I have to give you also an official notice.
No, I don't take anything like that.
No,
You
ma'am.
don't?
Where's the state attorney?
Let me get the investigator.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Where are you from?
Videotapes.
Bears Law.
Bears Law and Forensic Science Team.
Somebody's here, they want to give us some kind of papers from Bears Law and Forensic Science Team? No, from them to us. Okay, thank you. Have a seat, somebody right with you.
Thank you, ma'am.
There's no more videotape when they come too, because we need good
Oh, hello.
evidence of them obstructing and non-compliance, okay?
We're here in the state's attorney's office, and we're actually going to let them, we're going to put them on notice that we are looking to see when David Ray Bays' court date is. I believe it's in November, the same judge said or something like that, and then we'll move from there. But we want to let them know that today, if the state picks up the charges, it's against the law. It will constitute a criminal act and move, and we will go ahead and file a 1099 a commercial lien, an affidavit of truth, a statement of facts, a bill of lading, a bill of attainder, and the state prosecutor is very likely to end up with no 401k and a prison sentence for retirement, so we'll get to see what happens. But no matter what, today, Title 18 U.S.C. 2381 and Canon number 7, they might want to uphold and honor, because if they don't, the state prosecutor can go to prison for sedition, racketeering, and capital felony treason. And I don't mind putting judicial officials in prison. Bears Law and Forensic Science Team. Peace.
All right, here, Tom. We're going to present the state attorney with a W-9 tax form. They are a for-profit and gain corporation. As of now, right, they are unlawfully and maliciously prosecuting David Bays. So we're going to go ahead and present them with a W-9 tax form. And if they refuse to fill this out, we'll go ahead and fill out a 3949A suspicious activity form along with a FinCEN 101 to the IRS and the Treasury detailing misappropriation of public funds, embezzlement, obstruction, and noncompliance with Title 26/26 CFR.
Where's the rest of the team? Hmm?
They also want to charge us to be able to speak with my brother. They want to charge me to put money in his canteen. This is capital felony treason. And today that's going to stop all the way across the country. So I want you to know that Bears Law Forensic Science Team will probably be some of the people that added to that. There's going to be no more paying to put money on the books. There's going to be no more charging me through little cameras not to see my counsel and not to let me speak to them face to face, because that's going to constitute criminal damages, sedition, racketeering, capital felony treason. And then we will definitely submit a bill of attainder, a bill of lading, a commercial lien, a statement of facts, and an affidavit of truth. Puts judicial officials in prison when they violate their oath of office in the Canon number 7, Title 18 U.S.C. 2381. So today, we're going to have to make sure that that doesn't take place, because any forfeiture or violation or deprivation of his rights is going to constitute recourse for remedy damages, and we will seek remedy for the recourse done by the state. The state has no jurisdiction or authority to pick up the charges against David Ray Bays, and in the event that they do, someone's ass is going to prison. Pick a judge, pick a state attorney, pick a judicial official, because you have no immunity. Please, make my day. I don't mind.
And please, pick a color for your jumpsuit.
Orange or brown. I believe those are the colors they offer today for treasonous and racketeering and stuff like that. Oh, blue, okay. Well, whatever the colors are. I'm not familiarized because I'm not going to be in those, but I know a bunch of people that are. So those that don't comprehend or don't understand, it's okay. We're out here in the field making the difference, while some of you computer heroes are sitting around talking shit. We're out here walking through the shit, changing shit. So, oh yeah, to all the militias and bike groups and stuff that won't show up to help, you're a bunch of cowards. I just want you to know that. And to all the bike groups and militias that did help, thank you and God bless you guys. We're just waiting on these people to show up. They're supposed to be sending down a legal analyst to deal with us, the state attorney's office, because they don't know how. Real easy, we're talking from always easy.
Somebody need to get some papers here or what?
Yes, my name's Ronnie Davis, law forensic science team.
Are you Nathan?
Actually, I am the counsel of a victim. I am, the state's picking up the charges on my brother, they don't have to.
We need the state's attorney, the
We
employment
let the judge know
identification
the
number of
state's
the
attorney.
W-9
Goes
tax
down to
form.
Clearwater, doesn't come here.
Oh, is the state attorney here?
No, main office is in Clearwater.
Oh, okay, and do they have a boss there that we were supposed to speak to, sir? Because I gotta have a list of names of all the people that sent me someplace else, because I'm submitting a commercial lien, a bill of attainder, a bill of lading, and a...
Are you a licensed attorney here?
No such thing, sir.
So you're not an attorney?
No, sir, and I don't, I got
We're
11 judges.
legitimate law enforcement.
I got one judge in prison already, because I don't...
Excuse me?
We're
No,
legitimate law enforcement officers.
they're legit.
Are you certified by the state?
We don't have to. be,
You're not
sir.
legit.
Actually,
We're
sir, I got one judge in
legitimate.
prison. There's 11 judges
By
in
who?
prison. Are
By
you
who?
recording this? I strongly
Yes,
suggest
by
that we
the
keep all
common
this...
law.
recorded.
By the common law of what?
By the
That's right.
common law
You're
of
not,
America.
I don't recognize that. You're not a law enforcement
Your
officer.
name is, sir?
Okay,
Your
we'll
name
see
is-
about that.
Your name is?
You need to deal with it. Clearwater.
What?
Everything is down in Clearwater.
I got you. What's your name, sir?
Last name is Becker, B-A-R-R-Y.
All right, thank
So
you for
you
your
need to know.
professionalism. I
Have-
appreciate
have
that,
a
sir.
good day.
You have a good day,
Down
too.
Clearwater.
You ready, guys?
Yep.
All right.
Thank you very much.
As a for-profit and gain corporation, you have no jurisdiction and no legitimacy, sorry.
That's okay.
Gentlemen, have a good day.
That's okay.
Schwer versus the Board of Bar Examiners.
Okay, they got it. They got it. Now we go to Clearwater and we submit another bill of attainder, a commercial lien, and a bill of affidavit, anything that we can.
Name collecting here.
Elevator
There's
right
no clerk
here.
on it. Yeah, let's
The
just
clerk
take
of
this.
court, the clerk of court's in the building, right?
Yeah.
The clerk of court is in the building.
That's the last stop.
Downstairs around the corner,
Yeah.
isn't that where we went before?
Then that's where we'll go.
Yeah, that's where we have to get the EIN for the clerk.
That's where we'll go. You're not very smart people. There's no such thing as a bar license. No, I'm glad he gave us his name. Now he gets a bill.
Yep.
Sorry.
Idiocy knows no bounds.
Idiocracy.
That's what it is.
Thanks for all that.
You know, you saw him, right? He was shaking.
Yeah, he was trimming.
He said he was scared.
He said, I can't see you as a.
Main lobby and exit is
I would
there.
have said the same thing back to, well, I don't see you as one either. Right? But my paperwork says I am, so I don't care what you do.
Exactly.
Paperwork is the law.
This is where it was last time. Criminal.
Yep, this is where we came.
Clerk of courts.
Yeah, I should have printed out 3949. But we got a video. That's good enough. The clerk of courts for Pasco County is about to get a 3949A suspicious activity form along with a FinCEN 101 to the IRS and the Treasury. You know, he's obligated under the law to hire or get elected lawful judges, not bankers. Okay, as a for-profit and gain corporation, this building has no legitimacy, no jurisdiction. They have nothing. They're not even supposed to be doing this.
And bringing commerce into a court of record is capital felony treason and violates your oath of office under Title 18 U.S.C. 2381 and Canon number 7. Therefore, you're no longer immune. When you give away your immunity, you're punishable like any other criminal. Today, that's happening with a bill of lading, a bill of attainder, a commercial lien, a statement of facts, and an affidavit of truth that does carry weight. There's no such thing as a law license under Title 17 U.S.C. 28 Schwer versus the Board of Bar Examiners 353 U.S. 238, 239, 252, 353. When you listen to these capital felony extortionists, treasonous in this building tell you that they're actually engaged in enforcing the law, they're not. They're engaged in enforcing policy. It's not a law enforcement officer. It is a policy enforcement officer. That's why they're called police. It stands for policy. Most people don't know this. Today, 2 more judges and a state attorney go to prison like the other 11 judges that we got in prison. They keep on telling us, you gotta have a law license. There's no such thing as a law license, dumbass, and that's why you're going to jail. And that's okay. Bears Law Forensic Science Team, see you again. Let's get this banking going on. I don't mind. Let's get this banking going on.
Bankers going to prison.
I like it like that.
Drop off box. Now you can't do anything. They're just going to file an employment notification form. They're not going to be able to send it to them.
Gotta love it.
Well, at least they tell the truth about themselves. It says criminal.
And they are just that. They are, in fact, criminal.
And you could be a criminal with a smile on your face, and at the end of the day, you're still a criminal.
Yes. You can wear 10 badges on your chest. If you're not honoring that oath of office, you're just another maggot with 10 on his chest.
You can talk all polite and kind and
That makes you more in the courthouse.
hospitality, but you still live.
Get a shot of that right there, Tommy. This is child support.
Oh yeah, child support.
Child support. Civil,
Hey, you're talking about that thing that's unlawful and illegal?
You should point to child support, and then you should point right over to criminal. Because that's what child
Yep.
support is.
Right in the line. Child support, criminal. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's where we're supposed to be.
Snack bar?
Yeah. That's what happens when we go to court.
We eat these judges
That's
like a
right.
snack.
I've never really seen a snack bar inside.
Gotta love it.
Any way they can make money. Any way they can make money.
Gotta love it.
Keep you here all day. They don't want to feed you.
They should just have a big sign outside saying Bank of Pasco County.
Actually,
Think about the verbiage. Polytech. Poly, more than one. Tech, blood-sucking parasite. A Congress, a group of monkeys.
yep.
A Congress.
Yeah, I've told a couple people, they're like, what are you saying?
Yeah, it's because the people in America don't speak English. They speak moron.
Ain't it the truth? You know, if you have to be here because they call you here for whatever reason, they should feed you at least.
Right?
I mean, not the food that they do in
They
jail,
accrue a
but
bill
like,
every time I have to show up here. They get a bill and I get paid.
yeah, but they should
Every time
feed
I
us
have to
too,
show
though.
up here, they get a
Technically they
bill.
are, just not immediately.
Does anybody know who's the clerk of court of this county?
Oh, huh?
The clerk of court.
Oh, I don't know. But I like that though.
Paula O'Neill.
Notice all transactions monitored by video camera.
That's good, because ours too.
Yeah. Isn't that amazing? Oh, and they got another one, just be sure you didn't miss the first one.
This is for Dade City and Newport Richey. This thing right here, is that in Pasco County?
No. Well, Port Richey is in Pasco. Well, actually, they probably all are in Pasco. But
Okay, it says Office of Paula O'Neill. So I'm thinking that's the clerk of court.
Submit a bill, child support enforcement, and put them in prison.
Look at the old phone.
Did they give you free call things? Yeah, you can call anybody that extorts you.
Receive God's blessing, give daily prayer.
call an extortionist today.
This is Extortion Central Station.
Office of Paula S. O'Neill, clerk and
Paula S. O'Neill.
No kind of word is
Paula
it?
S. O'Neill.
That's the clerk of court and the comptroller.
Oh, right. Do we know
Hey,
who to
she's the
sue?
comptroller.
Ain't that nice? Now we know
Let's
who
ask
to
her
sue.
about them private books.
The
The comprehensive annual financial report. For the fact that this
You mean the
county,
CAFR?
this courthouse has a private books separate from the public.
Capital felony treaty.
That raises a lot of questions. I
A lot
want
of
to know
red
about that
flags.
CFR.
That's all good.
I don't know a filing fee of $48.
Get paid. And walking sidewalks.
It's really sad. Where we walk in and you see all the little attorneys and they're younger than
The sign shouldn't say notice, it should say beware.
They always used to be old.
Right.
They always showed old people.
Well, no, they are noticing you. They are noticing you of it.
But beware is also a notice.
Well, but that's more of a threat, though. A threatening
Well,
notice.
that's what I'm saying, though, but they are threatening you with it.
Yeah, she walked out and she said, I'm not going to be threatened.
I'm not going to be threatened.
Why didn't you go in and tell the bailiff you were being threatened? Why
Yeah.
didn't you go and arrest me if I was threatening you in a courtroom?
Yeah.
In a
Because it
courthouse?
was a toss-off.
You got threatened in a courthouse and you didn't have
I
anybody
didn't hear
to-
one threat. And we have it on video. There's no threat.
It wasn't no threat. That was a notice.
I don't wish to be recorded, of course, because your punk ass is going to prison.
I was recording in the back of her head.
She was like, I'm not the state attorney for this, and she ran off.
Hey, we don't need her face.
Quickly jumped out of that case.
Yes,
quickly.
she did.
Quickly jumped off of that case. Saw that career going straight to a prison cell.
She's going to
Yep.
run back and try to pawn it off on somebody else as quick as possible. Oh, I'm busy this week. I can't do it.
I'm busy. What happened? I'm going to be getting sick.
Yeah.
My hair.
She's going to have prison blues.
Uh-huh.
You know, that really looked way too much like an eyeball staring back over here from that.
Please get a picture of that green seal right there that says, "In God we trust."
Wonder which God they're speaking of.
Well, with the eye of Horus right there.
Yeah, it should say, in Satan,
You love that.
we beg.
It's got Baal, Gilgamesh, and Molech all in one. You gotta
Yep.
love it. And then you're saying God we trust. Which God?
Yeah, that's what I said. Which God are we speaking of?
They have it. They have that seal on one of these pamphlets too.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, right
Rights
there.
and duties of tenants and landlords. Really? The rights and duties of tenants and landlords. I'll be happy to sue the owner of that brochure for false advertising.
Grab it right over there. If they have a
Well, it's always got information.
Yeah, like,
publisher.
yeah, it's from the office. Yep. That's from the Florida Bar Association. Uh-huh.
The Florida extortion
See what the-
situation.
That state attorney, that was just funny. She was like, oh shit, people that know the law. Just ran.
She didn't know where to go. She ran
Where's,
off that case. She basically threw that case at the judge and hit him in the
I'm
face.
gonna turn my radio back on because I got my
And they decide to have an owner's
Skeeter
manual.
and everybody else are separated from us.
Skeeter and Courtney are already outside.
Okay.
Legal guide for new adults.
New adults.
You should get one of each one.
She
How to
did.
avoid being a victim of auto repair and service station gimmicks. Really? Awesome.
Look, and how to find a liar.
Look, how to find a
liar.
Oh
liar.
my God, I just found a whole
gotta
bunch
love
of them.
that.
You can't
How to
forget this
find a
one
liar.
too.
Oh, I love this extortion racket. This is going to make us bucks. All day long, they're going to hand us money for free, violating that oath of office. I like that. I like that.
You just take the AW out of lawyer and it says LA.
Liar.
How to find a liar in the state of Florida. Oh, you mean a lawyer? Same trash.
Oh yeah, kind of like the what was that?
We need business cards.
Legal aid. Identity theft. Thanks. You have a will.
Worry about it.
Who's gonna do the forensic science on this?
What's that?
Who's gonna be doing the forensic science?
All of
All of
us.
us.
I knew
I'll
he
do
was
the
going to
for-
say
the
that. I
science
knew
on
that.
I'll do the forensics on this one myself. I'm going to enjoy this. More than most.
That's us.
Good morning. I'm Ronnie Davis from Bears Law Forensic Science Team. I was told to come down to this office in order to give you guys this right here. Now, I don't know that you'd accept it. It's on David Ray Bays' case. The state's picking up the charges, so we are going to submit a bill on it because it's unlawful and illegal for the state to pick up charges. So we are going to send them a bill. And we've already went to the court and spoke with the state attorney and the bailiff in there and told them that we were coming down. They directed us to come down here. Went to the state attorney's office. They directed us to come down here. So we just wanted to get the names of everybody that sent us someplace else. That way, when we send in the 1099, a commercial lien, a bill of lading, a bill of attainder, and an affidavit of truth and a statement of facts, I know who's going to prison. That's how we do this. So I just wanted to hand you this. I don't know that you can take it. I'm not suggesting.
The clerk of court has to, by law, under Title 26/26 CFR, fill out the employment identification number and give it back to us.
Failure to
Otherwise,
acquiesce
she'll
is
be
violation of
she'll
Title
be looking
18
at
U.S.C. 23.
misappropriation of public funds.
Go ahead, sorry. Sorry, go ahead.
Legal stuff, I'm not an attorney,
That's all right,
so
that's all right.
so I don't understand
Yes,
what you're
ma'am.
saying. So,
As a
what is
for-profit and gain corporation established with an employment identification number,
Okay.
right? And since you forced, contract
Not
against,
you guys,
you know,
not you guys, but the state attorney's office, same building.
our
Not you
patient,
guys.
right? You forced contract. Well, we're gonna need the employment identification number of the clerk in order to correct the tax records for his copyright. Refusal or failure to do so will be construed as misappropriation of public funds, embezzlement, obstruction, and non-compliance of Title 26/26 CFR.
again, that's all legal mumbo
Yes, ma'am.
jumbo. I'm
Yes,
not an
ma'am.
attorney, so it doesn't mean.
Well, right now, the clerk on this
Is being put on notice. That's all this is, ma'am. It's just to put
she's
you guys, to
evading
let you know it's
taxes.
not your fault.
She's evading taxes.
Okay.
And those taxes have to be reported. Now, the IRS is going to want to know where the funds are located.
And why the oath of office in violation of that insurance bond was violated under Title 18 U.S.C. 23 on Canon number 7. When a judge or a police officer violates the oath of office, they're no longer immune and punishable as any other criminal.
Okay.
All right,
So,
hold, not to interrupt.
Go ahead,
I'm
go ahead.
sorry.
That's all right.
Let me see if I can get somebody out here that
Thank
can
you.
talk to you.
There you
because
go. That's
I have
all right.
no idea
Bless your heart.
Of what it is that you're talking about, or what it is you're requesting.
Thank
or
you.
Where to send you to get the information that you want.
Somebody that actually is doing
Yeah,
it. Thank you.
a decent
Thank you.
It's lunchtime, so I don't know.
I
if
know.
can find
That's
anything.
all right. I know I'm
So,
catching
but
you guys.
I'll go see if I can look.
Your name is?
My name's Patty.
Thank you,
And
Patty.
you're looking for the clerk's tax ID number? Is that
yes,
what
you
you're
have
saying?
one. Everyone has
Or
one.
the,
And if I show
the
you
legal
Yeah.
analyst, whoever your legal analyst is that defends you guys if something comes up wrong or violates it, there's just someone that can look at this real quick, if you would.
Okay, well, our clerk's attorney isn't here. He's only here on Thursdays.
Okay, then we're probably going to have to come back on a Thursday and present them with that.
Let me go see if I can talk to somebody now.
yeah, you should be having one already filled out over the counter. You should have
Well,
one.
but,
They got to ask their boss, though. Their boss will have to clear that
okay,
because it's
if you
illegal.
guys can do me a favor, if you guys can take a seat out in the lobby. so
Sure
I can
will.
help
That's where
pay
we've been.
customers.
Thank you,
Okay, and
Patty.
then
Thank
I'll
you.
be back in just a moment.
All right.
Appreciate your time.
What am I reading? Bears want forensic science. They're gonna pay us.
Well, actually,
Do what?
Did you catch that?
Which thing?
We're gonna have you step over, have a seat in the lobby so I can help pay.
yes, in this room here, there's actually other Department of Archives.
Pay would be the key word.
Right.
And you know, you can enforce it. They don't like that. Did I mention
Yeah.
I'm ready?
Extorted, she meant.
Finnegan moment? Come on.
Maybe pay.
Well, they're still being extorted one way or another,
You have to be 18 to get your parental.
right?
That's against the law. That's false advertisement. and it's
When do we get paid?
That's addition.
That's what I'm saying, pay you
Violation of
customers.
King Number 7.
Well, I guess we do get paid when we sue the shit out of them.
We got a copy of right now.
Babies walking around, so let's watch on that.
There's a, you have a copy.
You have one at the office?
No, but we have one. On us is what I'm asking. Is it on us?
Honest, probably not.
All right, that could have been very useful.
Did you see Fat Boy over there stop in the corner?
Uh-huh.
What are you gonna do?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do? Each one of these guys is skilled. What are you gonna do? Oh, did he? Okay. I thought it was.
Oh, but they do have ice cream.
I signed waivers to climb in the ring.
That's for the cops.
It's Hershey's ice cream.
Hershey squirts.
They have ice cream in here.
That's a lie. That's a lie.
Okay, they're not all bad. They got ice cream in here.
That's for the cops, not the
Is
kids.
it unlawful to use a laser?
Police means policy. Police means policy. It's not like when you police the yard. That's not what that means. Law enforcement and policy enforcement, two different things. You have a law enforcement officer that's honoring his oath of office and upholding the law, and then you have a policy enforcer, like these are the extortionists in here. This is an extortion. None of these people in here are for you at all. They're a bunch of criminals.
Building
And because we
organized
have
crime.
11 judges already going to prison, 2 call twice a week to beg, please don't prosecute, and we have 1 already in prison. Sovereign citizen can't have a sovereign. There's no such thing as a sovereign citizen. You can't be a Christian Satanist. You know? People in America's like the dumbest group of people on the face of the planet. Everybody in the world knows more about our law, more about our history, more about our rights, more about our stuff than anybody else there. They're all walking around stupid. In an age of knowledge, you're walking around not knowing the difference between legal and lawful. Child support, sedition, racketeering, capital felony treason. No law whatsoever. You don't want to pay child support, you get in touch with us and watch how I fill a commercial lien, a bill of attainder, an affidavit of truth, a statement of facts, and their asses will run for their life and they'll never call you again. Because it's against the law. Charge child support, probation is against the law. Driver's license is sedition, racketeering. You can't take my free right to travel and turn it into a vested interest where I have to pay extortion fees for insurance, tax, registration. And a lot of people go, well, Little Bear, how do we maintain the roads? How do we maintain them for thousands of years before this criminal regime? Wake up, people. Pull your head out.